Getting started with your MGMini is easy. Just follow these 3 simple steps: setting up, testing, and pairing. Let's begin with step 1, setting up. To power on your MGMini, you can use either the charging cradle or the info button. Simply place the MGMini in the charging cradle. It will beep and announce "device ready" once it's connected. Or if you've already charged your device, you can power on your device using the info button. Press and hold the info button for 4 seconds. You'll hear a beep, and the device will say "device ready" when connected to the network. Now that your MGMini is on, let's move to step 2, testing the device. Press the info button twice, and the device will say "entering test mode." Press the help button to connect to the test center. Press the help button on the front of the device for 2 seconds. You'll be asked to state your name. This tests the two-way microphone. When the test call has been completed, the device says "call completed, test mode completed." If you've ordered additional help buttons with your MGMini, they should already come paired. If you need assistance pairing one, please see our video, Pairing a MGMini Button, for more help. And that's it. Your MGMini is ready to use. For more information or support, visit our support site, www.medicalguardian.com/support.